Have you come across those viral celebrity images that appear realistic, yet you can still tell they're synthetic and generated by AI? Well, they're AI generated by Stable Diffusions or Midjourney, and they've become popular simply because they feature famous people. If you're interested in creating similar images to boost your channel's views, then you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you a free and easy way to achieve the same effect. Let's get started. To generate these AI-generated celebrity images, we'll need to utilize an online AI image generator tool. You can visit the website mentioned in the description or comments section. Once there, click on Image Generation, and you'll find a space to enter the prompt for the desired image result. For example, let's say we want to create an AI avatar resembling the rap star Snoop Dogg, but with a twist to make him look more like a ballad singer. Here is the prompt: upper body, medium shot, looking at the viewer, from the front, Snoop Dogg, flowers around neck, 8K, super sharp, depth of field, bokeh, photography, soft light. And here are 4 images I got. I'll choose this one. I've included additional prompt options in the comments section for your reference. How to animate portrait images to talking avatars. To bring the still images to life and create a talking avatar, we'll need to use Virbo. Simply upload the image we generated earlier, making sure it's a front-side headshot for the best results. Then, input the desired lip sync for the avatar and choose a voiceover. Click on Create Video, and the talking avatar will be saved in My Creations. If you need the avatar to lip sync an existing dubbing or audio file, select Audio Script, upload your audio file, select the language, and click Apply. The AI translator tool will parse the audio file into text for you to edit as subtitles. In this example, I've uploaded a song generated with an AI tool, and let's see how Virbo can turn the image of the fake Snoop Dogg into a singing avatar.
It's the motherfucking D-O-double-G. La da 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 da, you know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And that's it. This is the easiest way to create viral celebrity AI talking images.